Thank you for tuning in to Mirror Now. We begin with some breaking news which is coming in. The centre has now filed a fresh affidavit in the top court on Triple Talaq, saying that the ban by the centre has failed to act as a deterrent, and that despite the ban, hundreds of Triple Talaq cases were being reported by Muslim women. And this time the centre in the affidavit also has said that a 3-year jail term can prove to be an effective deterrent in the matter. My colleague Harish is joining us to bring us more details on this. Harish, help us understand what exactly is happening with centre now filing a fresh affidavit in the top court on Triple Talaq.
Yes, jail term has been prescribed for Muslim husbands who have given triple talaq to their wives despite the August 2017 ban on triple talaq. Remember, in a very significant landmark judgment in August 2017, the Supreme Court had termed triple talaq, that is talaq-e-biddat, as illegal, arbitrary, gender discriminatory and against violation of all laws. So, but Centre said that such a law was required as the Supreme Court judgment had not been effective deterrent, as it was witnessed that there were hundreds of triple talaq despite the Supreme Court ban. So to give teeth to the Supreme Court judgment, a penal provision was required. An act by the state was required to give power, to give force to the Supreme Court judgment. Otherwise, the triple talaq continued. The affidavit very significantly also said that this 3-year jail term has proved to be an effective deterrent, and in several cases, even after the Muslim husband gave triple talaq to the wife, after the Supreme Court judgment, the woman had nowhere to go but to the police station. But the police said that Supreme Court had only said that the triple talaq is illegal. It has never criminalized it. There is no penal provision, so we could not do anything. So it is in this context that the Centre has said that such a law is very essential to protect the rights of Muslim women who have suffered a triple talaq, that is, the triple talaq victims, and therefore a standalone law was required to protect these women. Even the Domestic Violence Act did not protect them. So such a law was very essential to protect the Muslim women who suffered triple talaq despite the Supreme Court ban. And let me read out a very significant para from the affidavit, which has been exclusively accessed by the Times Network. It says, in spite of Supreme Court's triple talaq judgment, there have been reports of divorce through talaq-e-biddat from different parts of the country. Setting aside of talaq-e-biddat by this court has not worked as any deterrent in bringing down the number of divorces by this practice among certain Muslims. Therefore, it was felt that there is a need for state action to give effect to the order of Supreme Court and to redress the grievances of victims of illegal divorce. And therefore, Supreme Court and to redress the grievances of victims of illegal divorce. And therefore, the act was brought in. The bill proposed, in fact, it also goes on to say that in fact, Centre has said that lack of deterrent punishment for act of triple talaq even after Supreme Court judgment was the reason for repeated instances of triple talaq even after judgment of Supreme Court, and therefore it was considered to have a standalone legislation. Hence, there is no unconstitutionality. Remember, several Muslim petitioners had challenged the criminalization of triple talaq and had sought recriminalization, saying that such an act only resulted in further suffering of the victim woman, because after the woman husband goes to jail, there is nobody to protect her and nobody to give even the maintenance. But the Supreme Court had sought Centre's view on this very important issue, and now the Centre has filed an affidavit justifying the Muslim woman protection of rights on marriage act, which had the provision of 3-year jail for a Muslim husband who has given triple talaq despite Supreme Court declaring it illegal. Back to you.
All right, Harish, thank you for bringing us those details on that story.